Choosing between Westpac and Commonwealth Bank or CompBank largely depends on your individual financial properties. CompBank is generally considered the more trusted of the two, with surveys showing 57% of Australians expressing trust in it, compared to the 47% for Westpac. It's also a leader in digital banking, with its app consistently ranked as the best in Australia for feature and user experiences, whereas Westpac app typically comes second. When it comes to divine and income, Westpac holds the edge, offering a higher yield of around 4.84% compared to CompBank 3.34%, which makes it more appealing for income-focused investor. Financially, Westpac has shown solid recent performance, including a 6% profit increase in its latest quarter. However, CompBank often leads in customer satisfaction and is widely regarded for its strong customer service. Both banks are considered safe and stable, posting strong credit ratings and offering a comprehensive range of financial products. In short, CompBank is better a choice if you prioritize trust, a seamless digital experience, and a customer service, while Westpac might suit you better if you're looking for higher dividends and a solid value performance.